Want to keep your gums healthy? Teeth white? Just brushing your teeth is not enough. But this better choice Xerant Water Flosser works. Water flossing is actually clinically proven to be up to 50% more effective than string floss and remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. A standard jet tip is best for general use. Functional tip is perfect for cleaning around braces. To change the tip by pushing the eject button. There are two ways to fill water. Easy and effective. Just press mode button to switch 3 flossing modes: normal, soft or pulse. Choose your favorite mode before powered on. You can recharge it with USB adapter or any other USB devices. Take with Xerant Water Flosser just 1 minute a day to get your healthier gums, brighter teeth and fresher breath.
Panasonic.
Did you know that traditional flossing can cause damage to your gums and increase your chances of infection? Water flossing is a much safer and more effective alternative to traditional flossing. Using a water flosser improves the health of your teeth and gums, reduces inflammation, and removes plaque gently without being abrasive like traditional floss. Our cordless, rechargeable water flosser has 3 modes for you to choose from. It also comes with a handy travel bag as well as an instruction manual, a charging cable, charging block, and 2 flossing heads. Don't miss out on this chance to save big on a brighter smile.
Introducing the innovative new H2O Floss Water Flosser. New technology, new design, new experience. A user-friendly on-off switch button, an adjustable water pressure handle. Made from food-grade materials. 2 separate storage compartments, one for storage of tips and the other for water. The sophisticated mechanical device forces a powerful pulsating stream of water over gingival tissue and teeth with the goal of removing unattached debris. It thoroughly cleans your teeth and massages your gums. A whopping 12 multifunctional flosser tips designed to tackle the needs of your entire family. The H2O Floss proves that you don't need to sacrifice convenience if you want a quieter unit. Your ultimate oral care. The H2O Floss Water Flosser.
The Waterpik Water Flosser is the easy and more effective way to floss. Before using your new Aquarius water flosser, please read the Quick Start Guide and instruction manual. To get started, remove the reservoir from the base of the unit. Fill the reservoir with warm water and place it firmly back on the base. Next, select the tip that is right for you. Our orthodontic tip is perfect for cleaning around braces. Our plaque seeker tip is great for implants, crowns, bridges, and retainers. Our pickpocket tip gently delivers rinses below the gum line. And our classic jet tip is best for general use. Insert a tip firmly until it clicks into place. To remove or change the tip, slide the eject switch located on the side of the handle. To begin water flossing, place the tip in your mouth and lean over the sink. Press the power button to turn the unit on. In floss mode, start on the lowest pressure setting and increase to your liking. During use, you can stop the water flow by sliding the water switch to the off position. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing while still allowing water to flow from your mouth into the sink. To avoid mess, look into the sink while water flossing, not into the mirror. For best results, aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle. Starting with the back teeth, follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. A 1-minute timer with a 30-second pacer is included to ensure adequate water flossing time. The Aquarius has 2 modes. After flossing, you may select the massage mode for enhanced gum stimulation and circulation. All it takes is a minute a day to get healthier gums, brighter teeth, and fresher breath.